Hello everyone, I'm going on holiday tomorrow. This is why I'm in this outfit, because it's literally all that's clean, so I put my gym stuff on. As you can see, I don't always make everything. I'm wearing Gymshark and Victoria's Secrets, but who has a complete me-made wardrobe? Anyway, I certainly don't. I'm gonna be on holiday, so I'm gonna be sharing lots of like how I'm wearing my me-made outfits. I'm doing some packing, so I thought I'd just share with you what I'm taking now. Okay, so first up, I've got my suitcase just there, so I'm going to show, pack. First up is my Neve skirts. This is the Sew Over It pattern, Neve, and it is a maxi skirt in this lovely viscose. And then I also made, I see a theme of things I've made, matching crop top to go with it, so it's like this situation. So I'm going to take that, I think that's nice. And then also I've got the same in another fabric. I made another Neve skirt, which you've seen recently. So I think I'm going to take that as well. Top to go with it. This is my own drafted pattern, but there's a YouTube video of how I made it. So link in the bio. So then we go on to kimonos. Now I've made a lot of kimonos, so I need to decide if I'm going to take them all. It is it's a bit creased, black and white printed silk kimono, and then I made some matching shorts to go with it. I never got around to making the top. So I've got this sort of kimono short set, which I think is quite nice. I have this kimono, it's really nice, out of poly. These two are out of poly, which means they're a bit sweaty. This kimono, and also I'm going to take this kimono that I made recently. So they're being packed. This kimono a long time ago. But I never seem to wear it. It's all sort of thing that I made thinking I was going to wear loads, and I just never wore it. Maybe with like jean shorts and a little top would look quite nice. But I think I'll put that in a reserve pile if I've got enough space. I'm on to floral dresses. Halter neck dress, and you pull it tighter like that, and it ties up at the back. And it's maxi, out of a beautiful linen. This was a self-drafted pattern I really like. So I think that's definitely going to be coming with me. The Heidi dress from Sew Over It. It's a wrap dress basically, and it's a maxi wrap dress. So I think it's quite nice for evenings, for dinners, that sort of thing. And that's made out of a white viscose from Sew Over It as well. It's Sew Over It's fabric. Then next on dresses, two very different dresses actually. Same pattern as the floral linen one we just saw, but I made it out of this purple paisley. I really like this. Problem is, this is really heavy and, you know, on weight restrictions. And this is a really nice flowy dress, halter neck like that, and it's got a little tie at the back to secure. That should be coming with me if I can get the weight and it's not too heavy, because this is really heavy. A dress which is nice for just when you're walking around Italian towns, you know, looking sightseeing. I got a white linen dress. It's just like kind of a staple, isn't it? A summer staple. This is a self-drafted dress, which is really easy actually, because it literally just ties up at the back here. You know, it's sort of one of those non-fitted dress, although it is a bit big for me now. Staple, and then I can put a nice belt with it, and it sort of belts it in. So that's coming with me. Then we got the Friday Pattern Company set that I've just made. Oh, yeah, I got my little tag in it. How nice is that? Trousers. Yeah, that's coming with me definitely, because I need my shorts. I can't remember if I put these on the stories. I think I did put these on the stories. The Friday Pattern Company trouser, but in a short. The top to go with it. So I've got a little set. Look what I want. Look what well, I didn't buy, my boyfriend bought me for it, but this is the skirt that I made for the big sew off event in London, and I really liked it, and I really enjoyed making it, and it was in my size, so I thought I would donate some more to the Mind charity and buy the skirt. This is also coming on my holiday. I just share that I bought it, so if you see it and thought, didn't you donate that? Didn't you make it for the event and donate it? Yes, I did, and then I bought it because I liked it so much. There's that nice, their little sewing tag in, and it just reminds me of such a fun day, a nice sewing event. So yeah, I've got the skirt. This is a Neve skirt from Sew Over It. and the fabric was from Fabrics Galore, and it's a crepe. Those are the main things that I'm going to be taking on my holiday. There's a few more things upstairs, I think. I want to say there is. If I'm going to bring them or not, I'm not sure. But that's what I'm packing at the minute. And I thought I'd say hi. And I will see you soon. On my stories, I'll be putting some of my holiday, I'm sure. So yeah, bye.